What's good on Speed fam? Here at Speedography, bringing you the hottest tech that will blow your mind. Today, we're diving into the world of brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs for short. Buckle up, because this is some next-level stuff. We're talking about controlling technology with your mind. Yeah, Speed fam, you heard that right. BCI are headsets that can read your brainwaves and translate them into commands for external devices. Imagine playing a video game by just thinking about moving your character, or controlling a prosthetic limb. Sounds like something out of science fiction, but BCI research is making huge leaps. BCI work by detecting the electrical signals firing in your brain. These signals are then processed by a computer program that decodes your intentions and translates them into actions. There are different types of BCIs. Some use implants placed on the brain, while others rely on non-invasive headsets that read brainwaves from your scalp. The applications for BCI are mind-blowing, Speed fam. Imagine helping paralyzed patients regain control of their limbs or restoring communication abilities for people who have lost their speech. BCI could also revolutionize gaming, entertainment, and even how we interact with computers in the future. Hold on a sec though. There are some ethical concerns surrounding BCI. What happens if someone hacks your brainwaves? And what about the privacy of your thoughts? These are important questions that scientists and lawmakers need to address as BCI technology advances. Here at Speedography, we're excited about the potential of BCI to improve lives and push the boundaries of human-computer interaction. But we also believe it's crucial to develop this technology responsibly. Speed fam, what do you think about mind control? Would you try a BCI? Let me know in the comments below. And while you're at it, smash that like button and subscribe to Speedography for more mind-blowing tech content. Remember, the future is what you make it, and with BCIs, the possibilities are endless. Until next time, stay curious, stay speedy,